Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at these CoreAudio Ride Bluetooth headphones. You can get these headphones on a low budget with the price ranging from £15 to £20. That's between 19 to 25 in US dollars. Outside the box, everything is kept simplistic with a nice glossy image of the headphones to the front. To the right, a clear window with a view of the headphones themselves, and to the rear there's just a few of the features that these headphones have to offer, which we'll get into soon. Inside the box, there are a few instructions. A quite short micro USB charge cable, a basic 3.5mm audio cable, and finally we have the headphones themselves. These Ride headphones right from the off don't look too bad. They look kinda nice. You can get these headphones in various different colours, but these ones right here come in matte black and red colour tones. They are coordinated along with the outside of the oval ear cup lining, the padded headband, synthetic leather ear pads, and as these ear pads are a bit thin, I can confirm that they are easily swappable. So yeah, you can swap them for better ones if need be. These headphones do look a bit small, however the side arms do extend. They are also foldable, but due to where the hinges sit, they just don't feel compact enough when folded. I must add that I wasn't confident stretching them out during a quick stress test due to the super lightness of this particular headset. Taking a look at the features and buttons, hang on, okay. So actually, we have no left-right symbols. Oh well, it's no biggie, I just assume that this side with the buttons is the right side. I'll just go with that and run with it. Okay, so first there's a microphone to the bottom. It's a micro USB charge port and an audio jack. Moving further up, there's a LED indicator light. A previous next song selection button, which indeed also acts as both volume up and volume down keys. There's also a play, pause and call answering button, and the power button which I'll press just now and connects via the Bluetooth 4.0. After holding the power button for 3 seconds, these Ride headphones will go into pair mode. The LED indicator will blink red and blue, and after a short Bluetooth selection process through your device, these Ride headphones should be ready to go. So now they're hooked up, I'm going to get using these headphones, test them out, and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, sorry. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and after 3 days I've got a groggy voice. Yes, I've got a sore throat. That isn't being reviewed. If it was, it'll be a 3 out of 10. But first things first. So the first thing I've got to comment about is that these headphones do not sit flush when on my ears, due to them being a bit small. However, they didn't sit too bad while fully extended. I do think that these headphones are meant for teenagers or kids. They do grip the head fine and never fell off once, but again these earpads, I would definitely upgrade them right away and fit new ones. They are okay, but after using them for long use, your ears do feel very uncomfortable and a bit sweaty. These CoreAudio Ride headphones are only 103 decibels. They have an impedance level of 32 ohms, but when it comes down to the fineness of the audio, I've got to say how it is. Well, the audio quality is just okay. Bass isn't very loud, it has a low bass rating of 40Hz. High tones are average as well as the mid tones too. They have a treble high of 14,800Hz, which on a scale from 20 to 20,000Hz, well, it's just alright. These headphones do have good polarity between both drivers. Directional sound is not too bad too, and that's where the low tones come into play. They are spot on. The rechargeable lithium ion battery built in is average too. Did get 17 hours use out of a full charge, and with the added audio cable supplied, you don't really lose any of the quality you get while using them wirelessly. Overall, the build quality is not too bad. Okay, they're not premium headphones, but the colour tones and design do have an imaginative look. Okay, I don't think adults would necessarily suit them due to them being small fitting, but I think they would be good for kids and maybe teenagers. And I guess if I was to score these out of my usual rating out of 10, then I surely gotta give these Ride headphones today a 6 out of 10. Okay, it's not the highest score in the world, but they are what they are. I mean, headphones are meant to sound good, and these are just average. Now don't let the score sway you away, they are indeed budget headphones. You do pay for what you get, and with the price being that low, you have to balance design with quality. You either have quality and a bad design, or some bad design and good quality. But if you do want some good headphones with a good price range, then I suggest some of my personal favourites, which I'll link in the video description down below. So yeah, go and check them out and go get yours. And while you're there, come on guys, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, making sure you click that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible, I'd be very grateful. And I guess I'll see you all on my new video coming very soon. So yeah everyone, thanks for watching and peace!